This viral pink salt trick changed everything for me. I went from 178 to 147 pounds in just 2 weeks using this unusual pink salt method. It's crazy simple. Just Himalayan pink salt, a bit of water, and a secret ingredient I'm not allowed to reveal here. You've never seen anything like this before, and it works fast. Forget injections and expensive meds like Mounjaro or Ozempic. This is 100% natural, easy to do, and has no side effects. And the best part? It takes less than 60 seconds to make. Want the full step-by-step recipe? Just click over to the next page and watch the full video. That's where I reveal everything. Trust me, this trick might be the breakthrough you've been waiting for.